Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. And we're back today for another trick, and today it's a very simple one, probably the shortest I could show you in this whole series. Let's just jump into Bricks. Once again, we're back in Bricks, and as you can see, I have both sides very narrow. I drag them very small. The problem now is that I cannot see the name of my elements, and what if I want to bring a change to it? Well, yeah, of course, I could drag it again and change it from there, but you have a shortcut in Bricks. You just go here on the top, and you can just change the name of your section or any element to anything you want. So let's put Merry Christmas. And just like that, you can see that it automatically updated here. Super simple, yet super useful, especially when working on small screen. Trust me. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It is free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!